What do you think are the best free game engines?
CryEngine, the professional version, is powerful, scale-able and beautiful. The free CryEngine version has horrible customer support and few resources for learning how to use it.
Given that their pro version is around $10 to $20 a month, that makes sense.
Project Anarchy is one of the few free game development engines that works for mobile rollout for iOS, Android and Tizen.
What is Tizen?
Tizen is the Chinese smartphone operating system. Fortunately, Project Anarchy has a strong developer community, documentation and even code samples.
Sounds a lot like PHP.
Project Anarchy even has Fmod for audio output, far better than the sound files and functions in CryEngine.
It sounds perfect.
For developing for any other thing like PCs, you have to pay for it. It lacks few formal training resources, and won't run on a Mac.
What do you think of Cocos 2D?
It is free. It has a mature framework, lots of community support, and tons of features you can use with iOS.
Sounds good so far. What's the bit it does not do this, and that it sounds like you want to add?
It is hard to use, complicated, and only runs on the Mac or iOS.
It sounds like the opposite of Project Anarchy.
Turbulence is a free HTML5 game development engine. They do have a 70-30 split on games sold through their website.
I am willing to split the sales revenue, since I do not have the risk of sinking thousands into a game engine that may not generate enough sales to pay for it.
Turbulence has a number of features like animation, collisions and physics. And you can do multiplayer and social networking games.
That's great. I'd love to be the next Farmville or Candy Crush.
The other great thing about Turbulence is that if you publish through a different platform, you do not even have to pay out part of the royalties to them.
Yeah, just the Apple App Store fees instead.
GameSalad is one of the first mobile game development platforms, and very mature for the free ones.
I thought it was several $100s.
The GameSalad Pro version is $300 a year. But the basic one lets you create games for the Android, iOS and HTML5 for website gaming.
But is the free version still workable?
It has a simple drag and drop interface, so you do not even have to code to create games, except creating a website on which to host your game. And if you need to learn HTML5, try Khan Academy, because if they can teach kids Common Core math, you can learn the language from them.